Alright guys, welcome to the FreeCAD 2-minute tutorial series. I created this playlist specially for complete beginners. I will be adding a short few minute videos daily so you can learn consistently without spending too much time at once. Follow this playlist to master FreeCAD, an essential skill for your future. If you are an engineer or a learner, it definitely belongs in your skill stack. Let's get started. We are inside FreeCAD environment. Today we are looking at additive primitives, the absolute fastest way to create 3D objects in FreeCAD without drawing a single 2D sketch. Normally in part design, you draw a 2D sketch and extrude it, but additive primitives are pre-built 3D shapes like boxes, cylinders, spheres, cones and torus that you can drop straight into your workspace. Make sure you have selected Part Design Workbench and body is active. Click here. This is additive primitive icon. Okay. First we are selecting additive box. So the box is created here. In right side panel we can adjust the parameters to make our box like this: length, width, height, and then we are going to select additive cylinder, as well as we can adjust the parameters right side like radius, height, angle, angle of second direction, and rotation angle means I decrease this angle, you can see the result. This is rotation angle of cylinder, right? And next we are adding additive sphere. In right side panel primitive parameters, we can adjust the radius of sphere. U parameters, I adjust the U parameters, you can see the change in shape. See, adjusting U parameters changing the shape of the sphere, as well as V parameters has two direction, adjusting them will make the sphere flat in top and bottom. And next we add a cone. We can adjust the radius of cone, upside and downside, and height of the cone. And the angle of the cone means the same, you as you see U parameters in here. And then we will add ellipsoid. This is ellipsoid, you can adjust the radius 1, radius 2, radius 3, U parameter, V parameter, and whatever you want. Another shape is torus. This is torus. In torus also we can adjust the parameters to adjust the shape of the torus. We can make changes in radius 2, U parameter, V parameter, okay. We can change torus like this with adjusting these parameters. And another shape we are going to test is additive prism. So in prism also we can adjust the parameters to make our desired shape. We can increase or decrease the polygon of our prism. We can increase or decrease circumradius. We can adjust height. We can adjust the angle of the first direction as well as second direction. Okay. The final shape we will test is additive wedge. This is additive wedge. Here also we can adjust the parameters. Okay. It's quite satisfying while adjusting these parameters. we can play with these values. If you want, you can also try this game. It's interesting. And that's all about additive primitive tool in FreeCAD Part Design Workbench. If you found this useful, like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share your ideas in comment section. I will meet you in next video. Bye bye.